Well, today I am back with a very special treat. I have a Kaiser Universe 400-day clock. I have wanted one of these for quite some time now, and I finally got my hands on one. So, one obvious interesting feature about this clock is the fact that it doesn't have the spinning balls like a typical 400-day clock does, like this one or even this one, or literally any of these over here, but rather it's got a globe or an earth as the pendulum. So it's spinning around. You can see all the countries, all the oceans, and on top of that, it's even got a moon dial that activates. Can't really tell when it moves. And got this clock off of eBay for $400, which is the most I've ever actually spent on a clock. But I think it's worth it, considering there was less than 1,000 of these made, if I understand correctly. I might be a little wrong on that. I'm setting the time though, because it's not keeping the time. Best time. These anniversary clocks are not the easiest clocks to regulate, nor are they the best timekeepers. But this one is doing fine. Only thing I really had to do was to adjust the fork because it was fluttering sometimes and it was gaining time, as you can see there, and had to set the beat as well. What's interesting also about this clock is that the anchor is at an angle rather than just being a dead beat like this one, or this one where it's just straight down, but rather it's angled. But I mean, it functions the same way as a typical 400-day clock does, aside from that moon feature there. It's also got all these space stuff. I don't know, I'm tripping out right now, but you know what I mean here. This clock is about early to mid 50s. It's my Chelsea. I'll make a video of that soon. You may wonder where the dome is. Sadly, that was damaged in shipping, but I got reimbursed for it, which is good, and eventually I'll find a dome. I have a plastic dome I could put on it, but it's just way too big and it looks wrong. And of course, having a glass dome like this is way nicer anyway. Now the clocks are going off. But that's really all I have to say about this one. It's not a whole lot, but it is a really nice piece. So thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you next time.